split thickness skin graft over here that we just got from our patient. Now we're gonna go and mesh it. We mesh it so that it can expand and be better for it to be placed on the site. And then also so when the swelling occurs and the fluid comes out, it goes right through it. So it sticks better. So here's the mesher. And we're gonna bring it in like that. Just hold this down the bottom. The lower part like that. And it kind of goes right through.
You got some
keep an eye on it.
accents.
We'll make sure that it's staying down. I'm gonna pick up. It's that little side over there.
Yep.
We'll make sure that's.
One on each side.
Yeah, there you go.
So we'll need 2.
Just hold on to it till it fly right off of us. Alright, so then there you go. We're just up the mesh.
Looks great.
Voila.